Samp is really this permanent dual view between what happens on site and what happens in the systems, even the parts that I cannot see, because I can understand where I am thanks to the piping and instrumentation diagram. As you see here, it's possible to build lists that will go at a very granular level that can be associated to an equipment or a location in space. For example, if it's inspection of a well, it's not associated to a physical equipment, but a location in space. And going step by step in this test sequence or with this punch list, it's always possible for the person going through this list to check what this step is about in space and also in the system. When I act here, what is upstream from me, what is downstream from me, not only visually, physically, but also in the layout of the existing systems. So here, test sequence preparation is greatly reduced, and this is our objective, as the commissioning sequence is always tight.